Dear friends, we are going to solve question number 1 from exercise 1.6, page 26, which is based on laws of exponents for real numbers. Here, the base is a real number which is greater than 0, and the exponents are p and q. These are rational numbers. And the first law of exponents is a raised to the power p multiplied by a raised to the power q is equal to a raised to the power p plus q. Here the terms are getting multiplied and here the powers are getting added. And if there is a divide, if this term is getting divided by this one, then the power is getting subtracted from p. Q is subtracted from p, and a raised to the power p whole raised to the power q is equal to a raised to the power p into q. And this is the mostly used law in this exercise. When a raised to the power p whole raised to the power q, it is equal to a raised to the power p into q. And when in these cases the base is same, a, here also a, here also a, here it is a. In this case also it is a here, here also a, here also. But in the last, the base is changing while the power is same. Power is p here and p here. Therefore, a raised to the power p into b raised to the power p is equal to ab raised to the power p. These are the 4 laws of exponents for real numbers, which we must remember before starting solving problems. Now let us see our first problem. It is 64 raised to the power 1 by 2. We know that 64 is a perfect square number. It is a square of 8 because 8 into 8 is 64. Therefore, we can write it 8 square to the power 1 by 2. And here from law of exponents, this can be written a raised to the power p into q. And we have done here the same thing. This 2 and 1 by 2 is getting multiplied here in the power. I have also written here this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled and the result is 1. Therefore, this is equal to 8 raised to the power 1. And any number, if the power is 1, then it is equal to itself. Therefore, it is equal to 8. Our next problem, 32 raised to the power 1 by 5. 32 can be written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. Therefore, 32 can be written in this form. And here 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times multiplied by itself. Therefore, 2 raised to the power 5 can be written in place of this number. And the whole is 1 by 5. Whole power is 1 by 5. Therefore, these two powers gets multiplied as per law of exponent written here. And when we multiply 5 into 1 by 5, then this 5 in the denominator and this 5 in the numerator gets cancelled, and we get 2 raised to the power 1. This has also been written here to give a clear picture. This 5 and this 5 gets cancelled and we get 1. And 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2. We know that any number having power 1 is equal to itself. Now the next problem is 125 raised to the power 1 by 3. 125 can be written like this, 5 into 5 into 5, because 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. Therefore, 125 can be written 5 raised to the power 3, because here 3 5s are getting multiplied. And this again from law of exponent is equal to 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. Again this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. This 3 is in the denominator, this 3 is in the numerator as shown here. Therefore, the result is 1. Therefore, 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to 5. In our next video, we are going to solve question number 2 and 3 from the same exercise. Thanks for watching.